What's up guys, it's Koi from Gentleman Within, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing a couple of things from Suitsupply that I picked up from their final sale. So I got this box right here, which is a 32 regular blazer. It's the Havana. And I got also a brown pair of double monk straps that are just beautiful, and I have had my eye on a pair for a very long time now. I was super excited already, so I was a little overzealous and I unboxed this blazer right here. Anyways, I figured I would take advantage of their final sale in their outlet where everything was pretty much half off, so it's pretty much an amazing deal. And so with this video, I'm just gonna show what the pieces look like on my body and then what the shoes also look like with me wearing them. So I'm gonna back up and let's take a look. All right, so initial impressions of this jacket. It fits quite nicely. It's a little tight there in the midsection, but that's not a problem as there's plenty of fabric in this jacket that they can let out. The length of the jacket is a bit too long for my taste, maybe an inch and a half too long. As you can see the back there, you can see the fabric kind of stretching out, so it's a little tight. The sleeve pitch here is pretty on point and it just lays naturally. You can see the shoulder fit is really good. I love that the jacket has a soft shoulder. No fabric bunching on the shoulders or behind the neck. If you take a look at the sleeves, there are functional sleeves, so they have the surgeon's cuffs, which makes it difficult if you have to shorten the sleeves. You can't do it, and so it's a very tedious alteration. But the fact that they're functional and the length here actually fits me perfectly. There's a good 1/4 inch of cuff showing, which is ideal for me. And then the buttons are horn buttons, which are very nice quality. You can see that this 100% linen fabric blazer here, it's just beautiful texture, beautiful color, I think. All right, on to the next jacket. Let me unbox this sucker. And for this one, it's a navy 100% wool silk blend. Beautiful jacket. So here's the jacket. It is in the suit bag, and it's awesome that it comes with a nice suit bag, although the quality of the bag's not that great, but you know, at least it comes with a bag. I like the hanger too. It's a nice thick hanger, quality plastic hanger, but still a nice hanger. So you can see those specs on a navy jacket, just beautiful. So this is the Havana 32 Havana. It's a half-lined jacket by Zignone Bella Italy. Zignone, no idea. Suitsupply. You see the wool silk blend there. All right, so let's try it on. The fit is exactly the same as the previous blazer, and it's a 32R, and so the length again is just a little bit too long, just like the other one, and it's a little tight. It's a little tight in the midsection. There's, you know, a little bit of a dreaded X there, so I definitely would have to let it out a little bit in the back, which there's plenty of fabric to do so. But other than that, the fit's really nice. This is a beautiful looking jacket for fall winter. This one was $250, I believe, which was half off. It was like $500 original price. The other linen blazer was $200, so it was over 50% off. But this jacket fits quite well, and it is a half-line jacket. It's nice. There's a little bit of structure, not really. It's pretty lightweight, and as you can see, it's just the silk material. It's really nice fabric, and you can see that extra fabric there that there's plenty of fabric, there's plenty of room to open it up and let it out a little bit so that it can be a little bit looser of a fit around the torso and the midsection. The back behind the collar, no zigzag stitching, but it's pretty standard. But yes, Havana 32, beautiful jacket. There it is with the horn buttons, the surgeon's cuffs, just, you know, little nice detail that you only see typically on made to measure normally, but Suitsupply, that comes pretty standard. But yeah, great jacket. All right, so on to these sweet double monk strap shoes that I've been eyeing for quite a while now. I was interested in the dark chocolate suede pair, but they didn't have any during the factory sale, but they had this dark brown leather pair, still just as beautiful. So we take a look. There is our dust bag, as I mentioned in a previous video on how to care for your shoes. Always carry your shoes in a dust bag, so always bonus points. But yes, look at this beautiful dark brown color. It's just elegant, right? It's super versatile. You can wear it with just about anything because dark brown is probably the most versatile shade of brown that you can wear. But I love how the buckle has a little bit of that pop. There's the Suitsupply logo on the inside there. This leather lining on the inside. It is a Blake stitched shoe, I believe. Blake stitched sole. There's some rubber on the bottom for grip. So it's like a dual leather rubber sole and heel. And it is made in Italy. So beautiful looking shoe. Blake stitched. And it's got a cap toe there. And there's a little scuff there, if you can see that. I guess, you know, these factory, it's kind of like a factory second. That's why they have these sales. And so there's going to be some imperfections sometimes, which not a big deal. But here it is in action. Here's me rocking them with a pair of dark wash denim. As you can see, it's a very beautiful pairing. But I love how the shoe has a little bit of like a pebble grain appearance as well. But these shoes are just really nice, and they're actually really comfortable as well. But yeah, enough of these shoes and my love for them. But I love myself a good pair of Monkstraps. I have, I think, 2 or 3 pairs right now, but I don't have any dark pairs like this. So this is definitely going to be a great addition to the arsenal. And I forgot to mention the best thing about these pairs of shoes is that they were only $149, which is a steal if you ask me. All right, so what do you guys think? Right now, I think I'm sticking with the shoes. I like the shoes, so I think I'm gonna hold on to those, but I'm kind of on the fence with the blazers. Whew, it's hot. Anyway, I'm on the fence with the blazers, the navy wool blazer and the 100% olive linen blazer. They're both beautiful. Quality construction, it's all there, feels great, and I think it looks good. The only issue is the length, right? The 32 is, it's not a short, and so it's a little bit too long. I feel like it's like an inch and a half too long. And I don't know if that's a deal breaker though. To me, it's not all that terrible actually, and it's more of a classic type of drape. A longer drape is typically gonna lean more classic, and it's kind of a little tight, especially in the upper torso when I go like that, or if I'm flexing, it's gonna be, you know, I could probably like rip it if I really like flex real hard. But that is something I feel like a tailor can kind of let out the seams. There's definitely a lot of fabric in these blazers that they can let out a little bit. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on these blazers. But as of right now, I'm leaning towards holding on to them just because I've never had a Suitsupply blazer before. I've always wanted to, but the fit always seemed to be off when I would go in. 36, 34, and as I would size down, and then something is gonna be off, like either the length or the shoulders or something. But I feel like these jackets actually fit me quite well. I can't actually return them because it was the final sale, but I can always throw them on Grailed or eBay if I ultimately have to sell them. But let's hope I don't have to. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. What are your thoughts on Suitsupply? And yeah, let me know in the comments down below. And if you've seen, I've been putting out a lot more content lately. It's because I have, and you know, I'm putting a lot of effort into creating content on a regular basis. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep this up moving forward. The sweet spot for me is around 2 videos a week, and I'm gonna hope to keep that up, you know, for the long run. But for now, right now, I'm doing about like 3 at the most. And you know, sometimes it'll be 1, but I think 2 is like the sweet spot. But yeah, I'm really enjoying creating this content for you guys, and I really like when you guys hit the comments down below and just give me some feedback, and just, you know, we shoot back and forth, and you give me ideas, and it's just been great talking with you guys in the comments. So yeah, thank you as always for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Put out new videos like this weekly. So that's all I got. Cheers to your style, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.